Hey everybody, on today's video, more of the shop beautification project. I'm going to put these boards up here, like so, and these are from that fence that I took down, and I was going to store them in the barn, but I'm like, well, before I do that, since I had already done the one behind the red toolbox over here and put that shelf up, I figured I'll do this section too. And we'll see how this goes. So the first step on this is I got to get the board cut to the right size. And now some of these are rotten on the ends a little bit where they were screwed onto the post, and then other ones like this one are pretty good. Plus this one's got this kind of knot running through it, and you know, I kind of like it, so I'm going to measure from this end, and I'll use this part, and that way, you know, it'll give it a little design feature that way. So I need 73 inches. So we'll mark that. And I noticed that my square is missing, and I'm betting if I check the firstborn's bedroom, that's probably where it'd be. But, oh well, I don't really need it for this. Put my hearing protection on. Get it lined up. Here we go. Now we've got this one ready to go. And we'll take it over by the wall. Okay, I've got another one cut here too. I think I'll put that one first. And then I'll put the one with the knot in it. And I'm using my M12 Milwaukee with the with this XC4 battery on it, and it yeah, it works pretty good. So grab my screw, bugger. That always happens when you're on camera. Doesn't happen when I don't have the camera on. Make sure it's good and tight. Level with the one next to it. There we go. And then I'll put this one in the middle so it's not trying to flop away. Okay, two more. put this one with the knot up, see how it looks. And I don't really need the ladder, so that's nice. And I'm just using my foot on the bottom of it to get the height right, because I'm not going all the way to the floor, because sometimes water gets in here and that'll just wick up that board, and I don't want that. That one was a little ornery. Ooh, and I am getting a little low on battery, so I'll probably have to switch. I was using this. So this battery took that whole fence down. You know, it was 160 foot roughly of fence. So that did pretty darn good, I think. But I will get another battery and I'll get this finished up and we'll see what it looks like. I think it's going to look nice. All right, I got her done. You know, I knew that it wasn't going to come out perfect and fit exactly. So I did, when I got to the end, I just put one sideways against there, and it looks good. I mean, for the shed, I think that turned out pretty well. Looks nice with the blue toolbox there. Yeah, and now if I want to put some shelving or hooks or anything, then it's a little more solid. It'll help with that, and there's less of that I have to haul to the barn now. And hey, you know, reusing, repurposing, that's always good. I put the little battery on when my other one went on the charger, and yeah, it's about done. So about half of this is about what a 1.5 will do. So which, hey, it's lighter than when you're holding it, so that's nice. But yeah, plenty of power. I really like those M12 Makitas. They're handy for little projects like this, and yeah, I kind of like them. I was always the yellow and black guy, and I have both, obviously. But yeah, those have been a nice little purchase. I do like that. And got another project done here, but I got to get more shelving and get this darn shed arranged better. It's been worse, so we're making progress. Which is nice. Could I be doing this for winter projects? Well, yeah, I could, but it's not exactly warm out here. I mean, you are out of the wind usually, and the snow, so that is nice. But you know, it's like 60 degrees right now. Perfect sweatshirt weather. Fun time to do projects. Nice little thing to get accomplished. And, you know, it just makes you feel good. And just to point out, I have never once claimed to be a professional wood butcher, nor am I. So if you got comments about, oh, you did this wrong, I mean, basically it's just for looks and a place to store the wood, really. But if you want to comment and tell me what I did wrong or how I should do better, I mean, go ahead. This is just how I did it. How you do it is totally up to you and totally fine with me. So do your thing. It helps, you know, little projects like this, I think help keep us a little more sane in an increasingly insane world, it seems to be. So, as always, take care. Thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe. So, see ya.